Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert tab leader in Word Windows. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to insert tab leader in this document. Write anything on this document. Then go to the paragraph setting option, go to the tabs, then write tab stop position 6, then click the right and click leader 2, then click OK. Then press tab on our keyboard and we can see we insert tab leader in this Word Windows very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.